So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for joining me. Now, I have a quite interesting topic to talk about. Now, for me, you don't know, say, I always indulge in various aspects of football and look at different, multiple facets of things surrounding the Reggae Boyz. And this particular topic, I find it very, very interesting. Now, let me tell you how me end up on it. I said to myself, boy, you know, say, because the absence of Leon Bailey might be in some trouble. I say, me feel like we might be in some trouble going forward in this competition. And me say, say, I'm going to have a more in-depth look on what's happening surrounding our attack. And then now I say, because initially I say, we keep on go for more attack. We look for include more attackers. We consistently look for include more attackers, which nothing is wrong with that. The more we upgrade on the attacking and the strike force, I think you're always going to be better position. And then I say, is it really the attack we need to upgrade? So I went back and looked at the last 5 games that the Reggae Boyz had played and see if I can just dig into our attacking numbers and our output in comparison to what's happening with the players that we have. And I find some very, very interesting statistics. And I'm like, whoa, whoa, these are interesting statistics. Now, we're going to get into it right now. Sorry about the long intro. I know some don't like the long intro. Please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time as well. I would really, really appreciate it if you do so. Share the content, people. Let people know about it. We're going to make people know if we attack good or not. We need to know, is the Reggae Boyz attack good or not? Especially now we don't have Leon Bailey. Going forward. Well, not officially confirmed, but yeah, technically confirmed. But what I'm saying is, just hit the like button, people. You can also buy us a coffee. That's a good way of helping the channel. Link is in the description and also in the comment section, the pinned comment. So let's get straight into it. Media, I run off more long enough. Let me bring up the numbers. So this that we're looking at here is the Reggae Boyz number for the last 5 games. So let me just take out a little booklet here. We have a little bit more explanations. A little bit more explanations. So, last 5 games. So the thing is, I not push further for like last 10, last 15 games. And I realized that the numbers were practically consistent in some sense. Numbers were quite consistent in some sense. All right. Now, I do believe, though, that where the Reggae Boyz midfield is concerned, it can help, it can really, really help to increase these numbers. But are these numbers really bad? Let's have a look. Now, for the last 5 games, we have scored a total of 9 goals. So, if you score 9 goals in 5 games, that's a good look. That's 1.8 goals per game. That's actually a really good look. Well, technically, you'd have to consider how much you concede. But if you have scored that amount of goals, it means automatically that alone shows your strike force all right. You have a good enough strike force. Many persons who want to score 2.5 goals per game, but unless you have Manchester City or Real Madrid and the team there, you ain't really get that. On the international level, you don't get that. So, on international level, between the region of 1.5 to 2 goals per game, that's actually extraordinary numbers. That's very, very good numbers. Just between the region. As we said, because international football, we find out is that most of the games are closer, like 1-0, 2-1, 2-0, them region, a 3-1. It really, really close. So as we say, if you score 1.5 goals or 2 goals per game, you're in a really good, I say now, in a good column. You're kind of comfortable. It's just now you have to work and ensure you're not concede so much goal. Fine. Let's have a look here now. Shots. This is something we feel like now we can increase on. But I'm going to show you how we offset. In the same 5 game, we have had 48 shots in those 5 games. 48 shots in those 5. In the last 5 games of play, we have taken 48 shots. I think that's actually a lot. I think we can increase it. Basically, I say we are kick like 9 shots per game. I think we can increase it. That's fairly. I think that's average number. I think in the region of like 10 to 13 shots in one game. I think that is actually in the relative. So probably with a little bit below where shot is concerned. Now, this is the surprise part of it. With a below where shot is concerned, but with a high where goals concerned. So we shot to ratio goal kind of high. So if we take 9.6 shots per game, but every time we kick 5.3 shots, we score a goal. For each time we kick 5.3 shots in one game, we score a goal. That is, I said, technically. Now, you will have 1 and 2 games where you're not scoring a goal and take 7 shots, but this is not an average. This is basically averaging out everything. This is actually averaging out everything. So you kind of can say this is the context to it, but these are the numbers what teams work with. So these are the numbers what teams work with, especially the analysts them, when they go look upon a team and say, oh, how much goals them score, or what the duration they score goal. So this is how them evaluate it. So for every 5.3 shot we take, equal to 1 goal. Every 5.3 shot we take equal to 1 goal. Now, big chances created. Now, this is an interesting one. Because initially I was like, we're not creating enough chances though. You don't get the feeling like we're creating enough chances to score goal. Like sometimes you watch a Reggae Boyz game and we're pinning our own half. And you say, when will I get that opportunity? When will I get the opportunity? When you go forward, we'll kick off a shot. But the thing is, sometimes these opportunities we get are actually big chances. But because we don't score them, we kind of feel bad. We kind of say, boy, we don't do nothing at the game and this and that. But only if we would have taken those big chances. So, in this same 5 game, we have had 15 big chances. 15 big chances. So basically, practically, we create 3 big chances per game. But based off of the amount of goals or score, for every 2 big chances we create, we score 1 goal. So understand now? For every 2 big chances we create, we score 1 goal. Then now, shots on target. And this is where the madness come in play now. We kick 48 shots. 48 shots in the 5 games. But we only had 19 shots on target in those same 5 games. 19 shots on target. So what you find out now is that if you score 9 goals out of 19 shots on target, it means that for every 2.1 shot will go on target, we score 1 goal. People, you see, I'm not sure if everybody who watch a video really understand the statistics and analysis of numbers, but these are actually phenomenal numbers. Let's imagine, for every time, so just imagine, say you play some scrimmage ball game, and you kick 1 shot off a goal, and the keeper save it. Based off of these numbers, the next shot where you kick, strong possibility to go in a goal, the chances are it's going in the goal. So, I break it down in a layman term. So, we kick 40, so you play with a friend, and you, as an individual, you kick 48 shots. And every time you kick 5 shots, you score a goal. So, for the whole game, you kick 48 shots now. But every time you reach 5 shots, you score 1 goal. So, you kick 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4 shot. The 5th shot, you score. And in total, so that is the context. So, imagine now, you play 5 games and you had 19 shots go up on target and you score 9 goals. 19 shots go up on target and you score 9 goals. So what happens is that every 2 shots where you kick, will go up on target. Every 2 times you kick a shot, and they go up on target. What the second one score. Just imagine that people are crazy. Me I tell you, it's crazy. It's really, really crazy. In a 5 game, it's crazy, man. So the truth is, attacking wise, we're not deficient attacking wise. But me find it surprising now we consistently look for attackers. We consistently try to improve on the attackers. No, we can have a significant improvement in the Reggae Boyz squad. So me can take them this here now. Take this off ice cream. We get that out of the way. So one, me I make it clear. Based off this or attack, spot on. With attack good already. We're not short where attack is concerned. Even though we keep on bringing attackers, but I have no problem with more quality being added, even in the attacking force. I do believe though, if we had more quality in the middle of the park, these numbers can get really, really better. And if these numbers increase, it means that we are now put ourselves in a position where we can compete against the elite of the elite. Now, 2 areas still now. So basically, the attack spot on. What we need to do now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to see if we can analyze the defense and see how we can improve on that and see where the areas of our shot, if the defense strong or not, if the defense can specific areas as I say we can improve on the defense. So that will definitely be the next talking point. So maybe most of you, enough people don't really understand the numbers part of it. Enough people don't understand the numbers part of it. I do apologize for persons who don't understand the numbers part, but I do think that this is going to be a fascinating video for persons who love numbers and analysis or analytics of football. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Thank you very much for watching. Massive, massive respect. And apparently, we have a very strong attack. Apparently. Numbers that we see right now, the numbers of that is available right now, it's really, really good. It's actually some phenomenal numbers. So big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We are out. Boom. God bless. Like, share, subscribe, and also buy us a coffee if you can. No problem. Link in the description and also in the comment section. See you guys again. Until next time. Peace out. Boom. God bless.